General Mariano.
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
So all in all, 44 yung involved dun sa serving ng search warrant.
Yes, Your Honor, kasama po yung taga Parañaque City Police Station, yung commander po led by Major Magsalos, and the SWAT team from the City Police Station.
General Mariano.
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
So all in all, 44 yung involved dun sa serving ng search warrant.
Yes, Your Honor, kasama po yung taga Parañaque City Police Station, yung commander po led by Major Magsalos, and the SWAT team from the City Police Station.
So Mr. Chair, composite team pala tong nag-serve ng search warrant. Okay, gentlemen, you may take your seats. Sino po ang nag-lead ng pag-serve ng search warrant? Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, I'm the team leader during the implementation of the search warrant, Mr. Police
Yo-
Lieutenant Colonel Jolet Guevara, Mr. Chair.
Gibara.
Yes, Mr.
Police
Chair.
Lieutenant Colonel Gibara.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Based on the report, sinerve niyo yung search warrant on September 16 at around 1 o'clock in the morning. Tama ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Nabanggit din sa report na dina-activate ninyo yung body-worn camera. Yes or no?
I have no personal knowledge on that, Mr. Chair, because I'm not the one who's handling the body-worn camera. But my instruction is to adhere with the MC regarding the handling of body-worn camera, Mr. Chair.
So are you telling us na hindi mo alam pero ikaw ang team leader ng pag-serve ng
Yes,
search
Mr.
warrant?
Yes, Mr. Chair. But
Okay.
my instruction during the briefing, Mr. Chair, is very clear to adhere with the guidance regarding the usage of body-worn camera, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, pwede po bang patayuin natin yung mayroong body-worn camera during the
I think
operation?
the one assigned with the body worn camera was Patrolman Acosta. Yeah, ayan si what's her name? Julie. Patrolwoman
Patrolwoman Acosta, sir.
Julie Acosta. Speak louder, please.
Kyra Acosta, sir.
Ayun, siya yung assigned sa body worn camera. Kaso yung isa lang.
So
Isa
mag-isa
yung
lang.
body-worn camera. Dapat at least dalawa yan in accordance with the ruling of the Supreme Court.
So very clear na may lapses na agad doon, Mr. Chair. Policewoman Acosta.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, pwede po bang malaman kay Policewoman Acosta bakit niya din-activate yung body-worn camera?
Your Honor, I was assigned to call the arresting officers to go upstairs po, Your Honor.
So anong relevance doon? Ba't kailangan patayin mo yung body-worn camera? May nagbigay ba sa'yo ng instruction o wala? Meron, wala.
Tinatanong ka,
Please be
Acosta?
reminded, Patrolwoman Acosta, under oath kayo. May nagbigay sa'yo ng instruction to deactivate body-worn camera or wala?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sino ang nag-utos sa'yo?
Police Major Quijana, Your Honor.
Police Major,
Quijana, Your Honor.
First Police Major Quijano. Quijana. Is it true na nagbigay ka ng instruction to deactivate body-worn camera of Patrolwoman Acosta?
Your Honor,
Please answer the question, yes or no?
no, Your Honor.
So, sino nagsisinungaling sa inyo? Siyempre, contradicting yung inyong response reply.
Wala po akong instruction, Your Honor, na i-off yung camera namin.
Patrolwoman Acosta, Totoo o hindi na inutusan ka ni Colonel Quijana?
Totoo po, Your Honor.
Okay. Sino ang nag-cut ng digital video recorder? Sa pagkakaalam mo, okay, Mr. Chair, somebody's raising his hand.
You're asking about the,
Patrolman.
Congressman Busita, you're asking about the CCTV.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Sige, go ahead. Sino may kinalaman dun sa pagpuputol ng CCTV sa loob ng Unit 1811? Sige, you're raising your hand. Please state your name and your position.
I'm Patrolman Cariaga from DSOU and ako po yung nautusan na ikat po yung CCTV, sir.
Sinong nag-utos sa'yo? Patrolman Cariaga.
Police Major Quijana po.
Oh, 2 points. Police Major Quijana. Nagsisinungaling din ba ito si Patrolman Cariaga? Mr. Chair.
Congressman
Mr.
Busita, before you proceed, Vice Chairman Acop, may we remind the resource speakers to refrain from lying, ano? If this hearing, this committee will find out that you are lying many times, we will be compelled to do something that you will not like. Okay? Please refrain. Okay,
With
go ahead.
the indulgence of the Honorable Busita.
Yes,
Ano
Mr. Chair.
pangalan mo?
Patrolman John Renzi Cariaga po.
Hindi ba tinanong kita kanina kung kayo ay naniniwala doon sa report ng inyong district director na walang masama nga kayong ginawa? Di ba? Sumagot ka sa akin ng oo kanina. Nagtaas ka nga ng kamay eh. Kaya nga tinanong ko yung kanina eh kasi mamaya ako kayo babakbakan.
Your Honor, hindi po ako nag-raise ng kamay ko at hindi ko po halos nalilito po ako dun sa tanong niyo po, Your Honor.
Kasi alam ko naman na hindi nyo alam yung buong nangyayari eh. Di ba sa dami ninyo, merong mga miyembro dyan na hindi alam yung buong nangyayari. Kaya ako tinatanong yon. Kasi ito, it will mean your profession, whether you'll be booted out or not. Kaya tinanong ko yung kanina eh. Kung naniniwala kayo doon sa report ni General Nartates o sa report ni General Mariano. Di ba? Kasi may pagkakaiba eh. Thank you, Mr.
And
Chair.
that's a very the importance of this hearing is to ferret out the truth, no? For us to be guided on the certain provisions that we will be filing or making new laws, no? Considering that there are two sides of the stories, no? Dalawa, yung kanina pinatanong kayo kung para simplify na lang, anong pinaniniwalaan yung report? Yung report ba ni General Roderick Mariano o yung report ni General Nartates? At kanina, lahat kayo nagtaasan. At tinanong ni Congressman Acop, sino ang hindi naniniwala doon sa report kung naniniwala kayo sa report ni General Nartates, wala namang tumaas ng kamay. Kaya kayo lahat na naandyan, yung 35, naniniwala kayo doon sa report ni General Roderick Mariano. Ganun pa rin ang sitwasyon until right now. Ganun pa rin po ba? Si Patrolman, so kanina ngayon sabi mo tumaas ka ng kamay, pero saan ka tumaas ng kamay?
Your Honor, hindi po ako nagtaas ng kamay, gawa po nung nako-confuse po ako dun sa may tanong po ni Mr.
Ngayon,
Jack po.
siguro para maliwanag. Dalawang bagay kasi ang pinag-uusapan natin dito eh. Kasi nag-imbestiga ang grupo ng NCRPO headed by General Nartates. At doon sa kanyang pag-iimbestiga, nakita hindi lamang yung mga lapses but yung mga violations ng inyong PNP operational procedure. Ang dami. So ngayon tinatanong kayo kung ano ang pinapaniwalaan yung report kanina sa amin. Kung yung kay General Nartates o yung kay General Mariano. Kasi ang premise nga naman ni Vice Chairman Acop, ano? Doon magbabase ang kanyang mga question sa lahat ng mga involved dito sa alleged irregularities. Kaya yung kasi kami, hanggang ngayon kami, hindi pa rin namin alam kung anong istorya because there are investigation that was conducted by NCRPO and there were also conducted by the SPD. And basically, we are balancing all this investigation. But of course, we are entitled on our own line of questioning. Kaya nga, ang tanong, muli, tatanungin namin kayo for the last time. Andito naman kayo lahat, no? Kung ano pinapaniwalaan yung version nung nangyaring sitwasyon noong September 16. Ulit. So lahat ba kayo naniniwala doon sa investigasyon ni General Nartates? Taas ang kamay na naniniwala doon sa investigasyon ni General Nartates. Paki-state yung pangalan.
Patayuin mo na lang yung mga.
Hindi kasi pangalan eh, para makita natin. Sige, isa-isa na natin. Sige, para. No. Ha? Okay? Sige.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. My name is Police Chief Master Sergeant Amante Garcia, Your Honor, the former Chief Clerk of DSOU SPD.
Ano pinapaniwalaan mo?
Well, Your Honor, the investigation report of General Mariano contains details that are true. Most that are true, and the IR of the regional director contains the reports that are withheld.
Hindi, basically, ang tinatanong namin para simplify tayo para hindi nyo na-explain, ano? Alam natin at mayroong mga katotohanan sa bawat report ni General Mariano, but there are those not. So basically, kung nadinig mo yung statement kanina niya, lahat regarding sa istorya, meron lang isa o dalawang pagkakamali dyan, dapat magdesisyon kayo kung tama o hindi. Di ba? So, basically, yun ang tinatanong sa iyo ni Congressman Acop kanina.
Yes, Your Honor, I believe in the investigation report of the NCRPO, Your Honor.
Okay, yun lang. Sige, go. Yung susunod. State your name and your decision on two sides of the story.
This is GJSS Ruiz, Your Honor. I agree the NCRPO investigation.
Susunod.
Patrolman John Renzi Cariaga, and I agreed with investigation of NCRPO.
Inamin mo na nga na pinutol mo.
Sige, okay, go.
Hello, Patrolman Carl Daniel Adena, Your Honor. And I agree with the investigation of the NCRPO, Your Honor.
Patrolman Elson Calupas po, Your Honor. Agree with the NCRPO.
Patrolwoman Justin Kyra Acosta, Your Honor, and I agree with the NCRPO, Your Honor.
Patrolman Adrian Maambong, Your Honor, and I agree with
Ay, mga official
NCRPO.
Ang tato kasi tumawento.
Police Staff Sergeant Roy GPO Quinto. I agree with the report of former District Director Roderick Mariano, sir. As a perimeter security, sir.
Patrolman Christian De Cavia po. I agree with NCRPO po.
Next.
Tanong ko lang yun, na-divide na sila.
Bilangin mo nga ilang mga.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Staff Sergeant Robert Allen Russell. I agree both for the investigation, Your Honor.
Next.
Good afternoon po sa Honorable Committee po. Parehas po na tama po yung report ng NCRPO at saka DD po.
Parehong tama. Wala ka nakitang mali sa lahat. Contradicting yun eh. Contradicting yung dalawang yun. Paano naniwala ka pareho sa lahat?
Your Honor, sa kabila po kasi may tama. Tapos yung kabila po, yun po yung chronological po na...
Alam mo, nag-ano ka, nagpe-play safe ka. You want to please everybody. That's not the way it goes, no? Dapat tignan mo, kung babalansin mo kung sino mas maraming tama, sino mas maraming mali. Ano?
May I ask the question, Mr. Chair?
Ha?
Tanungin ko yung babae.
Yes, sige, go ahead. Congressman Acop.
Iya. Narinig mo naman yung sinabi ni Southern Police District na halos walang violation of law. Naniniwala ka ba doon?
Hindi po sa lahat, Your Honor.
Ngayon, alin ang sa report ni General Nartates, alin doon ang hindi mo pinaniniwalaan na tama? Oh, alam mo Iha, alam nyo, hindi nyo alam. Nababasa ko rin naman yung sinasabi ninyo sa bawat isa na ang problema nyo ay ako, si RA o RMA. Mahirap paikutin. Hindi nyo alam yun pero nalalaman ko. Ha? Ano ngayon ang sagot mo, Iha? Alin ang mali doon sa report ni General Nartates? Which is the official report?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Walang mali.
Opo.
Sa kabila may mali.
Hindi ko rin po masabi, Your Honor.
Well, tama yung sabi ng aking chairman. Ikaw, gusto mong nag-play safe ka. You cannot make a decision. Hopefully, we will not meet each other whenever you become an officer. Dahil sa isang opisyal, you must be decisive. Dapat nasa tama ka palagi. Thank you, Mr.
Hindi,
Chair.
tanungin natin si Madam. Madam, anong name mo po?
PSSG Crystal Rhine Rosita po.
Anong partisipasyon mo sa operation?
Arresting officer po, Your Honor.
Arresting officer, from the time that they were arrested, andun ka sa loob na ng 1811. In accordance with your affidavit na that was gathered by General Nartates and sa SPD, andun na kayo. Kasama ka na dun sa unang batch na pumasok dun sa 1811. Yes or no?
No.
Ano oras ka pumasok sa loob?
12 midnight po, Your Honor.
12 midnight. O yun ang operation eh. Start ng operation yun, 12 midnight Oh. Are you trying to tell us that ano oras nagsimula ang operation? Colonel Guevara, ano oras nagsimula?
It was past midnight, Mr.
What
Chair.
time?
It was around 12:30 to 1, Mr. Chair.
12:30 to 1.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So pumasok siya. O 12:30 to 1, alas 12, andun ka na. Patrolman, Rosita, alas 12, andun ka na, 12:30, nagsimula.
I mean, Your Honor, hindi po ako kasama dun sa nauna po. Bali ako po kasama po
Wala
dun
ka
sa
sa
huling
1811.
po.
Nasa labas ka pa.
Opo.
Nasaan ka nun?
Sa basement po.
Sa basement ka naka-assign muna.
Opo, Your Honor.
So nung inaaresto na, saka ka lang pinatawag.
Yes, Your Honor.
O sige. So ngayon ang sagot mo dito sa question ni Congressman Acop is nasa gitna ka. It's either yes or it's either no.
Sa NCRPO po ako, Your Honor.
O so binabago mo na yung sagot mo, NCRPO na.
Yes, Your Honor.
O yun, sige. O binago na, Congressman Acop. Next, please.
Good morning po, Your Honor. I'm Police Master Sergeant Primitivo De Leon Jr. I agreed with this report of NCRP also.
Okay, next. Ilan na tayo? Ilan na yun? Sino pa yung mga members ng operation?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. I'm Police Corporal Claveria, Your Honor. I agree with the report of our former District Director, Police Brigadier General Mariano, Your Honor.
Okay. Next.
Anong pangalan yung nag-agree sa district director?
Police Corporal Rexes Claveria po, Your Honor.
Claveria. Claveria.
Claveria po.
Claveria. And what was your job
Position.
during that time?
Perimeter security po, Your Honor.
Perimeter security. Okay. Thank you, Mr.
Okay, next. Yes, Congressman Bustos. We're in the middle of